سڵاوتان لێوێ عزیزانم بەخێرن لە ڤیدیۆیەکی نوێ ئەو جارە ڤیدیۆیەکی تازەیە و بڕگەکی تازەش ئەو جارە ڕیاکشن لە بۆ ڤیدیۆیان دەکەین لە یەکەم ڤیدیۆشمان ڕیاکشن لە بۆ گروپەک دەکەین کە لاسای یاری ڕێددێد دەکەنەوە بە شێوازێکی کۆمیدی بزانین ئا ڤیدیۆکە کو دەبیتن ئەگەر حەستان کرد ئا ڤیدیۆیەکەشی لەسەر دەکەین بەڵام سەرەتا بۆ پشتگیریکردن لە چەناڵی سیمای زۆن لایکی ڤیدیۆکەی بکە وەروە سەبسکرایب چەناڵەکەش بکە ئەگەر نەتکردیە ئێستاش با بچینە ناو ڤیدیۆکە و ڕیاکشنەکەی خۆمان دەست پێ بکەین ئێستاش دەست دەکەین بە ڕیاکشنەکەی خۆمان بزانین چ دەکەن ئازامەوەی هات بە حیساب ئارتن هۆگینە بنا یاری ڕێدەمشینی دوو زانین
Hey now, no closer. Mister, I am just passing through. Hey now, not one step more. Now listen, I don't want any trouble. Hey, this is your final warning. Listen, you mind your business and I will mind my business. Good day, sir. Hey! Hey! I saw that! Oh, shit. I am a witness to this murder! Look, I was just defending myself. That's not what I saw! He attacked me first! I have to tell the authorities! Oh, God damn it. Look, sir, wait up! No, leave me alone! No. Wait up! Now listen! I need you to promise me that you're not going to tell anybody about this, you hear? I'm going to tell the sheriff! I'm going to tell everybody! No! You're not going to tell a goddamn soul. You're going to hang for this, mister. And on a side note, if I was such a dangerous murderer, which you are, no I'm not, you are, no I'm not, why on earth would you announce to me that you would witness me murdering somebody? Well, because I needed you to know that I knew. I need you to promise me that you're not going to tell anybody about this. No! Listen, is there anything I can say to persuade you not to tell anybody? Not in your life, mister!
Kushti.
Hey! I saw that!
Police detail there. Police,
wait up!
كشرتنها يجي لو فيديو لا يتنازل عن قوة بس راح تسوي تقال إذا كان يجيكم كل ده يسبينا فيه وضع مريض أو شتى كاستادي كاتن كان ياري كشتى كخايل كاتو سلو موشن اللي بدك سيقول لي الاسم اللي
Damn. Okay, I need to refill my data.
سياري كان تكون بالشاشة كوميدي وبروفا. اشتري زوز زيادة لدوم مليون حفصت في سبسكرايبرز شان هي. أول شيء عليك نخوش كتير. زياري ده شيشت. وارد لنا شهرية لسمرني زياري ده شيشت. شرابي دخواتو زياري ده سيد زياري ده شيشتن. زياري نما فيني شيشتن. بيرانا قاعد سيد زياري لدستي شي زياري شي جورش اللي بدست كيف قلت يا شيشتن.
Hold up, my dead eye's nearly full.
أنا شو دقيقة دقنو بس راح أدخل وقلت يا وش لو خوي تزقري ده في شيء
Okay, that's better. Okay, let's do this. All right.
ترى بقى عن زامي بدين وزا دي سام بس راح أدخل هم عندك كل شيء تو طبعا
You're a strange man, Arthur Morgan.
So کۆمیدیە.
Help!
هاتوو بە دیار لە هەموو
Somebody!
یانە
Help! Sir! Sir!
یارمەتیم دەبڕێت.
Oh, God! Sir, you okay? Oh, Christ. I need your help. I got bit. Okay, what can I do to help? I need you to suck out the poison. All right, I'm on it. Quick draw!
کوشتی.
You shot me! Why did you shoot me? Sir, I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. Let me get you some medicine real quick. Quick draw! Oh! Oh! Get away! Get away from me, sir! I don't want you any near me! Please, I don't want your help! Go! Quick draw! I feel the life fading from me.
چای خیلی وزمه. دیزانو پلیس دیدی. نه دیسان کسش کدیدی دیدی. چه یکم.
It was a mistake. I can quick draw.
ایشی کشت.
Arthur! What did you do?
Sadie, it was an accident, I swear.
Okay, we need to go. You hand me that gun real slow, okay?
Yeah. Quick draw! Oh!
نکته کشیدم.
Sadie, I am so sorry.
Why did you shoot me?
Quick draw! Oh, God!
ئاسە ئەو کەسێک کە یاریکە بە ئارتۆر دەکاتن بە شوازێکی خراپ بەکاری دێنی.
Okay, boy. Let's get out of here. Quick draw!
ئەو چێس بەکەشی کوشت.
We did good. Good work there, Arthur. Good work, boys. I did most of it, but good work. And now I'm gonna loot these bodies for a sec.
Maybe just for a short amount of time. Don't take too long.
What have we got here? Them old Driscoll's gonna be here soon. Half a packet of cigars. I will be taking that.
You hear that, Arthur? Your Driscolls will be here at any moment.
Yeah, hold up. I'm just looting some bodies. What's this guy got?
You looting another one?
Key. Taking that.
I don't like this at
ئەو
all.
بەرە یەکێکە لوتیان دەکاتن شتەکانیان لێ دەواتن کە پێیانە.
Some coins. Very nice.
Arthur, come on, the old Driscolls are coming.
Okay, I hear you. I am looting these bodies. Oh. What do my eyes see but a teapot?
Arthur, that kettle. You don't need it, Arthur. You do not need that kettle, Arthur.
Hey guys. Does this hat suit me? What are you...
Arthur, you can't be choosing hats now. We do not have time.
That hat or that hat?
Okay, show me the option one more time.
That hat or that hat?
I reckon the first hat.
Yeah, no. I'll stick with the first one.
It's a little silly on you.
We need to hurry up, Arthur! Do not rush me. I am finding valuable items for the campment.
Those old Driscoll boys will be here any moment. Oh shit, here they are. Oh,
Yeah, I'm coming. Is that a single one? And what do you have on your person? Let us find out.
damn it. Arthur, you are insane. Arthur, you're gonna get us killed now.
This looks like a very nice knife.
And
And with this knife, I think I will be cutting this wheel of glorious cheese.
Are you serious? We do not need cheese.
You will be thanking me when I am sharing this cheese with you.
God damn it, he is gonna get us killed. Get us killed. He's just standing out there like an idiot.
Is that what I think it is? It's like a choo-choo train.
What? That's adorable. That's a cute little choo-choo train. You know who would love that? Jack would love that. Jack would love that.
You'll love that.
زنی و درستەکان لە دارستانی. بزەوە شاید دیسکەکەشاندانەیە لە خوارەکە بە باڵێن بە چوار گۆشەی پیکی دەکات و بە سێ گۆشەی دەیخوات و بەشتانەکیانە من نووسیە.
Wow!
بەم جیلەکان دەرێتەوە
Wow.
هەم شتێک دەرێتەوە
Wow. 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 Wow.
بۆ پیسایی بەڵگرتەوە
Wow.
ئەسەسە کەسانێک کە جیهانی یاریڕێ دێت دەبین و دەڵم واو گرافیکە جوانە و ئەو شێوازە ئەنیمەیتە جوانە و ئەسە بە
Wow.
باوڵەکەیتی بۆڵتەکەی
Huh.
دەوانەی لە چیە
What is that man doing?
Oh, don't touch it, sir. Oh. Whoa, whoa. Ah, the infamous Arthur Morgan.
Oh, you thought you could outrun us, did you?
Hold up. Let's not have this go sour, officers.
All right. Come with us nice and easy like.
Yeah, sure.
هەردوو چیانی کوشت نا لێکە
God
چەندە
damn it,
بەڵام
Arthur!
چی نەکوشت
Where are you, Arthur Morgan? Come out! If you give yourself up now, you might dodge the noose! That man you killed was my friend! I've known him for 20 years! He was like a brother to me! I will never forget your face! I will hunt you to the ends of the earth, day and night! Where are you? I know you're in here somewhere!
I know you're in here, Arthur Morgan.
Come on out! I will find you! I will not forget your faith! I will hunt you to the ends of the earth! Oh, he must have gotten away. Oh, well. Howdy, officer. Hello there, sir. You have a mighty fine day. You as well.
دەڕاتن کە تاوانبار نامینێ بە حساب بە دوای پۆلیسەکە بڕۆ لە چواردەری بسۆڕێ ناتبینیتەوە
How may I be of assistance, ma'am?
Oh, please. Please, sir. I've fallen and it sprains my ankle.
Oh, you sprained your ankle, have you?
Yes, sir. It hurts so bad.
Now, don't be offended by this next question, but this wouldn't happen to be an ambush, would it?
What? No? What would make you say that?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe that gun in your apron and the man over there behind the tree with the rifle?
That
man has nothing to do with me.
That man over there has nothing to do with you?
Clarence, get behind the tree. Nothing at all. Just a random man behind a tree.
Okay, let me just get my facts straight here. 1, you have sprained your ankle.
Yes. Owie.
2, you are in need of my assistance.
Yes, sir. If you would.
3, that man over there behind the tree has nothing to do with you.
Nothing at all.
4, you are in fact a lady. And 5, this is most definitely not an ambush.
Definitely not an ambush.
Okay, I'm gonna humor you on this one. How may I be of assistance, man?
This is an
ببین تیشلی دەڕوات و هەروەکی ئاخر مۆرگەنی کردنەوەیەکە بۆ شێوەیە خۆیان ئەوە دەکەن یانیە بە پۆزۆ لە دێن و نازان برێم چ قەپۆزیان بڵند دەکەن و شکەش زۆر بە ئاسایی دەمێت یەکگول لێ
How you doing today?
کەشۆتەکە تاڵ
Mighty fine. You look like you got some heavy pockets.
Yeah. We're looking to relieve you of that burden.
Nope. What do you mean, no? Now listen, I don't want any trouble.
Well, shit, it looks like some trouble found you, sir.
Now, stay here, boy.
هەڕەتیان دەکاتەوە چۆ کەسانی کە ڕەتکردنەوەی بەکاردێنن
Way I
لە
see
بۆ
things playing out,
شەخسەکانیان هەڕەت
we got 2 options here. Option 1, you can put your guns away, hightail it out of here. We won't have no trouble.
Well, I'm keen to hear option 2.
Well, option 2, you can both end up dead. Choice is yours.
Well, shit. I think I'm kind of keen to see how option 2 plays out.
Me too, brother.
Well, Don't say I didn't warn you.
والله حسابي في الرناية قاعدة يمكن إيش طبعا سلاحين يا أخوان وبلا شاكر ده إيش طبعا سلاحي برزق التام.
Do we shoot him? I think we just shoot him. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
I don't know. What a bizarre encounter. I do not feel comfortable with how this played out at all.
Sadie, hold in there. I'll help you in a sec.
I got him.
No, it's fine, it's fine. I got this. I got this.
You don't look like you got this.
Look, if you got your guy, then I have definitely got my guy.
It sounds like you're insinuating something, Arthur.
No, I'm not insinuating anything. I'm just saying that you got, a weaker guy.
What are you trying to say?
Don't say it.
Go on, say it.
Go
Go on, say it.
I'm just saying that, you are a woman and I am a man.
You're saying that because you're a man, you're better at fighting than I am.
I'm just saying that if I had got the weaker guy, then I would have had him by now as well.
You deal with that. You go on, deal with that. Look at this view. Wow, look at that. Oh, you don't even see it because you're passing out. Yeah. Woman. You're welcome. You're so welcome.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Good job. You got him. Big, strong man. All right, hop on.
Okay, shuffle back.
This is my horse.
Yeah, but I ain't sitting on the back.
Why not?
Oh, come on. Don't make me say it again.
All right, you can walk.
Sadie, wait. Wait. Oh, come on. Come on, Sadie. Come on, wait. Sadie, come on. All right. This time, I'm gonna be good. Howdy, sir. Howdy, ma'am. All right. Howdy, sir. Howdy, sirs. Ma'am, you have yourself a wonderful day.
Oh, well, thank you, good sir.
Hey. Hey, old timer. You go get yourself something to eat.
Thank you, sir.
I'm on fire. Howdy, sir. After you.
Thank you.
All right. Ma'am. Howdy, sir. That's some nice broom and you're a nice man, you're a handsome man.
How could you? You stepped on my sister! I said I was sorry!
Come on, break it up, boys.
How could you? Good out lover!
I said break it up.
Sir, that is assault!
No.
Hey! You just killed my brother!
Guess I'm an outlaw.
أول رياكشن معمولة بو فيديو كوميدية یاددارم بەدڵتان بوو بیتن لایکتان لەبیر نەچێت سابسکرایب چانەڵەکەشتان لەبیر نەچێت ڕازەنگڵەکەش ئام بکەن بۆی هەر ڤیدیۆکە بڵاوی دەکەینەوە یەکەم کەس پێتانی بگە ئەگەر نۆتیفیکیشنیشتان بۆ نایەتەن ئەوە زەنگوڵەکە لا ببەن و دیسان داگرنەوە 3 هەڵبژار دەتان دەداتێ سەرسەرەوە داگرنەکە نووسراوە ئۆڵ بۆ ئەوەی هەموو ڤیدیۆکە بڵاوی دەکەینەوە یەکەم کەس بە ئێوەی ئەزیز بکاتن دا ڤیدیۆکە تر کاتێکیکە بەخواتە دەستپێرم خواتان لەگەڵ